Hello, and welcome to the first ever Field Museum Evening News broadcast. I'm Kyle Labufadora. Our top story tonight: are you killing our planet? That's right. You may not know it, but your everyday habits could be harming our planet's climate. Let's take a quick look at some of the environmental mistakes we make every day. Many don't realize the environmental consequences of leaving lights on or not unplugging electronic equipment when it's not in use. People also drive themselves to work rather than carpool or use the mass transit when it's an option. Hardly anyone thinks twice when they use plastic takeout containers for food, and not enough of us recycle our paper or plastic when we're done using them. But energy is used up to manufacture these products. In 1 year, the average car emits 5.5 metric tons of carbon dioxide. The lifestyles of many humans contribute to an increase in greenhouse gas emissions, which ultimately leads to disruptions in Earth's climate, such as global warming. For what is being done about this problem, we go live to Sam.
I'm Sam Tigret, reporting live from the Field Museum. There is currently a climate change exhibit on display. Climate change is open to the public until November 28, 2010. We will be focusing on the What Can We Do wall. This wall shows many different ways of how to make a difference. There are examples of how to consume less, examples of what you can do at home, when getting around, at work, and when you're eating and drinking. You can even choose to join visitors in taking some of these actions. I spoke with Dr. Abigail Derby-Lewis, who is a conservation ecologist at the Field Museum. She studies climate change and biodiversity adaptation. She talked about easy ways people can save energy and protect the climate.
For transportation, which is something that we all do in one form or another, if you're not able to take public transportation because there isn't the infrastructure in your area, or perhaps you work very far away and you don't have another option, keeping your car well maintenance, for sure. So keeping a clean air filter and keeping the correct kind of tire pressure within your car can very much reduce the amount of gasoline and therefore the amount of energy that you're consuming. Within our region, there are two main climate action plans. The first one is mainly within the city's proper limits. So the City of Chicago's Climate Action Plan is a really wonderful and ambitious plan to essentially target climate change impacts for the built environment as well as human health issues.
At the end of climate change, there's the Chicago Climate Action Plan room. It shows how the city is being proactive in reducing emissions. Back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Sam. And you know what they say, kilometers are shorter than miles. So save some gas and take your next trip in kilometers. From the Field Museum Evening News Studio, I'm Kyle Labufadora, saying good night and good luck. And remember to carpool.